In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Mailchimp sign-up form into your WordPress website. This process is essential for capturing leads and building your audience without having to dig too deep into complex code. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, I've got you covered with step-by-step guidance. First things first, open up your browser and log into your Mailchimp account. This will be your main hub for creating and managing your email marketing campaigns. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience tab. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From there, click on Sign Up Forms, which is also listed under the Audience section. This is where you'll be able to craft the sign-up form that your visitors will use to subscribe to your newsletters or updates. Within the Sign Up Forms menu, choose Embedded Forms. This option is perfect for integrating the form directly into your WordPress site as it provides flexibility while maintaining a professional layout. Now it's time to customize your form. Mailchimp makes this part incredibly straightforward. You can tweak the settings to better match your brand's identity, adjust colors, text, and field options until you're satisfied with the approach. It's a good opportunity to ensure the form feels both inviting and cohesive with the overall theme and look of your site. Remember, simplicity can be your best friend here. A clean, eye-catching form encourages more people to fill it out. After you've customized your form to your satisfaction, scroll down to the section where you can see the HTML code. In Mailchimp, this is generated automatically for you. Simply select all of the HTML code and copy it. This code is what you'll be embedding into your WordPress site, effectively bridging your website with your Mailchimp account. Next up, turn your attention to your WordPress dashboard. You'll need to log in to manage your site's content and layout. Once logged in, head over to Appearance in the menu and then click on Widgets. Alternatively, if you're looking to add the form to a specific post or page, you can go ahead and edit that directly. Here you're going to add a custom HTML block or widget. This is where the magic happens because this block is designed to house the HTML code you just copied from Mailchimp. Paste the code into the HTML block. With the HTML code now placed, all that's left to do is save your work and preview the changes. By saving and reviewing, you ensure that the form appears exactly how you want it on your live site. That's it. You now have an embedded Mailchimp sign-up form on your WordPress website, ready to capture new subscribers. This minor adjustment can significantly impact your marketing efforts by growing your audience base and keeping your visitors engaged. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.